let's have a huge round of applause once more for all the educative and marvelous technical sessions that took place from today morning. I will definitely call it a mini MBA in entrepreneurship. What a fantastic energy in the room tonight. My dear entrepreneurs, welcome to the MPC Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave 2025 Business Awards Night. Get ready for an evening dedicated to celebrating the brilliant minds and the hard work that are driving our economy forward. Let's get the show started.
Yeah, thank you, CA Pratiksha. That was indeed wonderful. As I already said in the morning, it's food for thought. That is all done. So let's enjoy a little. Let's have some entertainment. So here we have the MPC Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave 2025 and the Business Excellence Awards 2025 to be conferred to those entrepreneurs, to those startups who rightly deserve it. And we here at MPC and Rotary rightly feel it is our privilege, it's our pride to recognize you for the achievements that you all have done. So without any delay, let me introduce all the chief guests for today's award ceremony. We have as our chief guest and our inaugurator, Shri Captain Brijesh Chowtaji. For lighting the lamp, we have Chandrasekhar-ji, the Chief Business Officer of Karnataka Bank Limited. We have Chief Guest Narasimha Kumar K, the DGM and RH of Union Bank of India. Dr. Prashant Shankar Poduval, the Group General Manager of Materials, MRPL. Shri Shailendra Nath Sheet, the DGM, Canara Bank Circle Office, Mangalore. Shri Anil Lobo, Chairman, MCC Bank. Shri Suchet D'Souza, Zonal Head, Bank of Maharashtra, Hubli. Shri Suraj S. Sheth, the Cluster Head, SVC Cooperative Bank Limited, Mangalore. So a wonderful applause to all our chief guests today who will be felicitating and recognizing the awardees tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all. Thank you, thank you. Entrepreneur's voice should be loud and clear, and it should reach up to New Delhi. Any issues? Okay? It's my proud privilege to stand before you as the conclave director of this mega MPC Rotary MSME Conclave 2025. First of all, let me give a big round of applause for all our sponsors for making these things happen. There is a saying in Sanskrit, for the success of any event, 4 persons are responsible. Karta, Karayita Chaiva, Prerakascha, Anumodakaha, Sukrate, Dushkrate Chaiva, Chatvaraha, Samabhaginaha. Whether it is good work or bad work, 4 people are responsible. In Draupadi Vastraparana, all of us know Karta, who dragged the sari of Draupadi, Dushyasana. Karayita Chaiva, who told? Duryodhana. Prerakasya, who conspired rather than inspired? Shakuni, Karna and all. Anumodakaha, all Dronacharya, Krapacharya, Bhishmacharya, even Dhritarashtra, all people were responsible. At the end, they got the karma theory comes, correct, no? So, like that, here, for any good work, 4 people are responsible. Karta, one who executes. Let me give big round of applause. Let us all give big round of applause to our entire Mangalore Productivity Council and Rotary team for making these things happen. They have toiled very hard to make this function grand success. Karayita Chaiva. That means Mangalore Productivity Council under the able presidency of U. Ramarao. Let us give a big round of applause to U. Ramarao. Then Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, our hero of club is Bhaskar Rai Katta, ably supported by our Bhishmacharya of our club, Rotarian PDG PHF, Dr. Devdas Rai. ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ನಿಂತು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು. Okay. Then Rotarian Vikas Kotyan, Secretary. Then Rotarian Rajesh Sitaram, Treasurer. Then Dr. S.M. Shivaprakash, very good singer also. So our coordinator and all our MC team and all these people responsible. Prerakascha, that means one who supports. The supporters of this event, let us give a big round of applause to Canara Bank, Karnataka Bank, MRPL for the platinum sponsor, main sponsor of this event, ably supported by Bank of Baroda as golden sponsors, Union Bank of India, SVC Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, 𝐻𝐿𝐵, Camco, then SKF Elixir, all these institutions. Then coffee ready, you had continuous coffee. And our Fizza group of companies, let us give a big round of applause to them. Anumodakaha, that means delegate. I am very proud to say that morning itself the house was full in the inauguration. We put extra chairs, then still it was full. Our target was 400, but altogether around 500 people have attended this program. I am very proud. So today we had from morning inaugural session, then 6 technical sessions, and now award ceremony. Award ceremony is to achieve the role models in MSME sector. Who are the role models? In Bhagavad Gita chapter 3, shloka 21 it is said, Yadyadacharati shreshtaha tatta devetaro janaha sa yat pramanam kurute lokastadanu vartate. That means role models are such that everybody should emulate. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಅನುಸರಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಚೀವರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then the question will arise, achievers what to do? They have to keep quiet? No, they should revise their goal. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mughe margaha. Gist is, I will not rest until I am the best. Once I am the best, I will see what is next. I will text this to you, don't worry. So we have identified 25 sectors for award. A month back itself that form was rolled and many of them applied. Hundreds of applications we have received. All are achievers, but we cannot give award to all. We have selected few people. Our cutoff is only 25, but we could not resist with the performance of many entrepreneurs. We have increased to 29 awards. Let us give a big round of applause to all these achievers. The category of award: excellence in retail trade, excellence in wholesale trade, excellence in export, excellence in marketing, excellence in logistic and supply chain, excellence in healthcare, excellence in management practice, best mentor for startups, best entrepreneur service, best entrepreneur manufacturing, best innovative enterprise, best innovative enterprise service, best new generation entrepreneur, outstanding CEO of the year, outstanding woman of the year, most promising startup of the year, best family owned business, best social enterprise, best rural enterprise, best agribusiness enterprise, best educational institution, best incubator CEO of the year, best green enterprise, best artisan of the year. Then above all, who have done more and more exemplary performance, revolutionized, one lifetime achievement award is also selected. Thanks to our 3 independent juries, they have given the marks हमारा पेचन वाले को एक अवार्ड दो, ऐसा नहीं है. This is strictly based on the marks. We have selected Ashta Sutras. Many people called me, why we didn't get the award. Those Ashta Sutras I will tell you now. Turnover, net profit, payment of GST and income tax, payment by, contribution to the exchequer by way of forex, financial discipline, employment generation, innovative nature in the business, consistency in business. These Ashta Sutras we have followed. Those who have already been selected, let us give a big round of applause to them. Those who didn't get the award, don't get upset. All of you are eligible. Next time you can try. With this small note, I will call upon all our chief guests of the today's award ceremony program.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful welcome to all the dignitaries over here. Start with the awards. I request you to kindly come over to the center. The first award for today's evening of the MPC Rotary MSME and Startup Conclave 2025, which is in the sector Excellence in Exports. So as we all know, exports is something which is very much important for every economy. Forex, employment generation, GDP, economic growth. So here we have the Excellence in Exports, which is backed by Everest Seafoods Private Limited. May I request Sindhuram Anand Putran, Shri Hanif Machiwala, Shri Wasim Hanif Machiwala, the directors of Everest Seafoods Private Limited, if they are present here, to kindly come over to the desk.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ thank you SS Nayak sir and all the MPC team for recognizing us and giving us this opportunity to receive such a prestigious award in front of such a august gathering. And I am very privileged and honored, and I am proud to say that I am taking this award in front of my valued clients. So that is again �K𝐝𝐬𝐿 and Everest Seafoods, and they have trusted us and they have given us an opportunity to work, and that has shaped what we have done today. And this gives a lot of responsibility onto our shoulders to deliver best in days to come. And I thank you one and all.
So here we have Excellence in Exports, which is backed by Tolar Ocean Products Private Limited. May I request the Managing Director and the Director, Dr. Prakash Tolar and Srimati Sabita Tolar, to kindly come out to the desk. All have been a role model to numerous entrepreneurs and MSMEs out there. It's indeed a proud moment.
Thanks for the award. I dedicate this award to whole team of Tolar Ocean Products. It's not because of one person, and I'm really happy to receive this award in front of all you, because it's a motivating thing for us. We have started as a small company. It took almost 25 years to grow to this level. And Many people are there behind that growth. And I thank our bank particularly for the financial support, Union Bank. Like from the beginning of our starting the company, Union Bank has supported us like anything. Like in many times, I appreciate one thing in Union Bank. They don't go by the rule book. They see the promoters behind. Who is behind that? Okay, that's what is an encouraging factor. And I thank the sponsors of today's program and thank you all. Thank you, sir.
I now request Chandrasekhar sir to speak a few words in this moment.
Respected chief guests, dignitaries, participants, award winners, and all people gathered today. It is a very proud moment for me to among with you, and it is in the morning session also I came here, and our director Jeevandas Narayan also inaugurated the function, and our managing director Raghavendra Bhatt has supposed to come today in this evening, but because of some his preoccupation he could not come. I came here, and it is a big crowd here, and I heard that since morning there is a threadbare discussion regarding this MSME facilities, what are the opportunities, and for this startup also there is a big discussion. I hope all the queries or whatever doubts in the minds of the entrepreneurs or startup companies has been resolved, and in this modern world, this is idea is having only getting the idea, or if you have an idea, that is the big this one asset for you. Have a good idea, definitely that will give a reward to you. If you are having a good idea, that will be asset in future also. That is, idea is being rewarded or it has been remunerated also. That's why it is thinking in positive way, definitely give good result, and conducting these type of conclaves definitely help entrepreneurs. I thank SS Nayak for this one conducting these enclaves. In the morning session, I heard that it is his 15th such type, 14th such type of conclaves. All the best to him, and all the best to the awardees. Thank you.
All guests and awardees should be till the end because it will come in tomorrow's newspaper.
We thank you, sir, for being part of this award ceremony. Shri Chandrasekhar ji, the Chief Business Officer, Karnataka Bank Limited, for being a part of this ceremony. It indeed is a pride and privilege for all of us for felicitating the awardees, because your decades of experience, your decades of knowledge has been shared today, and we are happy to have you with us.
Tiger dance beats was, I myself wanted to dance, but I was, protocol made me stand at the side. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, in today's world where everyone is stressed, everyone is looking for a means of escape, that is found in entertainment. And it is by sheer hard work and grassroots connection to this part of the state that enabled Lighter Buddha Films to produce acclaimed films that broke all records like Garuda Gamana, Vrishabha Vahana, Toby, and the latest mass craze, Sue from So. Earning the acclaim of the audience project after project is no small feat. काम ऐसा करो कि नाम बन जाए, काम ऐसा करो कि नाम बन जाए, और नाम ऐसा बनाओ कि नाम लेते ही काम हो जाए. It is my immense privilege to be announcing the winner of the Lifetime Achievement Award. Ladies and gentlemen, let's render a standing ovation to the team of Lighter Buddha Films and its director Shri Ravi Rai Kalsa and his entire team, JP Tuminath sir and entire team. Standing round of applause. I request for a bigger round of applause. Come on, let's show some energy. We are entrepreneurs. Come on.
I request all the chief guests to come over to the desk, because this film, ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೊಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹೊರತಂದು JP ತುಮಿನಾಡ್ರವರ ಅಭೂತಪೂರ್ವ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿನಯ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಮ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಛಾಯಾಚಿತ್ರ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆ ಹಾಡುಗಳಿರಬಹುದು, ನೃತ್ಯ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನ ಗೆದ್ದಿದೆ. ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕರ ಮನ ಗೆದ್ದಿದೆ, ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮನ ಗೆದ್ದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಅನೇಕ ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ JP ತುಮಿನಾಡ್ ಸರ್, ರವಿ ರೈ ಕಲ್ಸಾ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟರ್ ಬುದ್ಧ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ MSME ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಈ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವಿಗೆ ಇದು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕಿರೀಟ ಪ್ರಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ and giving us the dance anthem. A hearty congratulations from the entire team and all our chief guests here, Chandrasekhar ji, Narsimhan Kumar, Dr. Prashant Shankar Podwal, Shailendranath Sheet ji, Anil Lobo, Suchit D'Souza, Suraj Estate, and our host team from Rotary Club of Mangalore Central and the Mangalore Productivity Council. Congratulations. Maybe congratulations is a smaller word, but we from the bottom of our heart congratulate you for all the success.
On our CA groups, we were discussing that at morning 6:30 as well, tickets were not available. That is the success.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಮಗೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಟರ್ ಬುದ್ಧದಿಂದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮನೋರಂಜನೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೂಪರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ 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 ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇನ್ನೇನಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರಾದ ರವಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಈ SS ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಈ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಾಂತರಾಳದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ನಿಜವಾದ ಹೀರೋ JP ತುಮಿನಾಡ್. ಇವರು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ 7 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 2025ಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಚಿತ್ರ ಇವತ್ತು ಗೆದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕಾರಣ. ಒಂದು JP ತುಮಿನಾಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 𝐅𝐵 ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸಿಯಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗೋದು ಒಬ್ಬ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕನಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದು JP ತುಮಿನಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ JP ಮತ್ತು 𝐅𝐵 ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
We have Narsimhan Kumar K, the DGM and Regional Head of Union Bank of India. Sir, we request you to felicitate the awardees.
The best way to predict a future of a business is to create it yourself with consistency and efforts. And the best way to ensure consistency of efforts is to always maintain a top-notch service. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Shri Nelson Castellino of Nityadar Battery Works on stage to gain recognition as the best enterprise in service sector. A huge round of applause.
Congratulations to Nelson Castellino, Nityadar Battery Works. So as the name says, Nitya Adhara, ನಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂತಹ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ Nityadar Battery Works bagging the best entrepreneur service. May I request you to speak a few words, sir?
Good evening, one and all gathered here. I would like to thank CA SS Nayak sir, the entire MPC team and Rotary Club of Mangalore Central and the jury for giving me this award. I am very happy because we are stepping into the 50th year this year, and during this time that this award has come to us. I thank my entire team. You people are war horses, because without y'all, I wouldn't have got this award. Thank you, one and all gathered here. Thank you, all my clients over here. Thank you.
We always find so much of unpure water, but here we have an innovative enterprise in the manufacturing sector who provide purified water resources for every individual, be it company or any other enterprise. Here we have SKF Elixir India Private Limited bagging the best innovative enterprise in the manufacturing sector. May we have Prajwal Achar and Tejas Achar, Dr. G. Ramakrishna Achar, over to the dais in Best Innovative Enterprise, the manufacturing sector. And I believe you would have already tasted 𝐻𝐻 product. She was already there in the stall from Anusha Acharji. A wonderful product, keeping in mind the women's health and their prosperity and growth. So congratulations once again to SKF Elixir India Private Limited, Dr. G. Ramakrishna Achar, Prajwal Achar and Tejas Achar. And here we have Anusha Achar.
What an apt name for providing good water, elixir of life. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, everyone. So thank you for this wonderful award. ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ತರುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು MPC ಟೀಮ್. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇಶ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
Where you and I just saw a random rock near Mysore, an artisan saw Lord in it and converted that rock into the beautiful Ramlalla. It's so true that there is a creator, but an artist is a creator of that creator. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to invite onto the dais Shri 𝐻𝐸 Sadashiva, the designer and proprietor of 𝐻𝐸 Jewelry Works, to receive the award of the Best Artisan of the Year. Hearty congratulations, sir. As I said, artisans are creators of creators.
They can see beyond what our normal eyes can see. A beauty in a coconut shell, beauty in gold or any kind of jewelry, they can turn stone to an art. Congratulations to 𝐻𝐸 Sadashiv for bagging this award as Best Artisan of the Year from MPC Rotary MSME and Startup Conclave 2025. I request you to speak a few words, sir.
ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಲಾವಿದನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್. ಹೌದು, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಗೆರಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರುಣ್ ಯೋಗಿರಾಜ್ರವರ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾತಾ ಅಮೃತಾನಂದಮಯಿಯವರ ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು KS ರಾಜಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ವಿಕಲಚೇತನರು, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೊಂದೇ, ಗೆರಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯಮ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
So good evening to all of you. I'm really greatly privileged to be part of this event, and I'm greatly thankful to the MPC Rotary and SS Nayak for providing this opportunity to our bank. We at the Union Bank of India will be greatly motivated from all of you to help you more and more in the days to come, because you are the backbone of the Indian economy. You are contributing 30% of the GDP of the country. MSMEs are the proud of our nation, and I am really thrilled to be a part of this event, and really you are all really wonderful entrepreneurs, and going forward you will be the large entrepreneurs and large corporates. So we wish you all the best from the Union Bank of India. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity.
We are indeed happy to have you with us here. I request Devdas Rai sir to kindly felicitate. Please accept a small felicitation from our end. Sir was also there in MSME town hall session. So I believe all of you would have witnessed the knowledge and expertise that he had shared with you. Thank you for being part of Embassy Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave 2025 and giving the awards to our awardees. I now request Dr. Prashant Shankar Poduwal, the Group General Manager, Materials MRPL, to kindly come out to the dais and hand over the next set of awards. We already have gone and passed through this particular stall and witnessed the wonderful chocolates that they were presenting. So here we have the best agri-business enterprise empowering farmers. So that was �K𝐝𝐶o Limited, lip-smacking chocolates from �K𝐝𝐶o, and I believe everyone would have at least bought one particular chocolate from this particular stall.
And I think the person at the music is also an eager, lover of chocolates. He was so eager to play the video,
Yes, congratulations, Dr. B.V. Satyanarayanji, the Managing Director of the Central Arecanut and Cocoa Marketing and Processing Cooperative
Huge round
Limited,
of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
known as
Huge round of
�K𝐝𝐶o
applause.
Limited. It's always known, cooperatives are well known for bringing people together, Sahakaradinda Sahabalve. So that is the main theme of being a society. They bring people together and help them grow. So over to you to speak a few words.
Thank you, MPC and Mangalore Central Rotary for giving this wonderful award to �K𝐝𝐶o. I'm receiving this award on behalf of our Board of Directors, President and Vice President, who are representing 150,000 farmers who are the backbone of our business. So we have done a business of 3,632 crores this year, all-time high. And interestingly, we have passed on almost 1% of the turnover as incentive to the farmers who have supplied us the arecanut and cocoa. Apart from this, we have chocolate factory and our brand name is �K𝐝𝐶o. We have a small stall set up outside here to taste and to take home the sweetness of �K𝐝𝐶o to your home. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on. Any education by itself does not amount to much unless it is followed by vocation, which is then followed by incubation. And a well-designed incubation is the best culmination of the education process and also sets a strong base for the germination of entrepreneurship. Our awardee for the Best Incubator CEO of the Year, whom I consider my mentor as well, aptly goes to a personality who has built the AIC Nitte Incubation Center with his smart work and hard efforts. Please join me in welcoming Dr. A.P. Achar, the CEO of AIC Nitte Incubation Center, onto the dais with a huge round of applause.
This is A.P. Achar from AIC Nitte Incubation Center, a mentor, an academician with over 3 decades of experience. It's under his guidance and support, a lot of startups have seen growth, have got funding, and
any startup in Mangalore to Udupi, at least I'm telling, not even talking about Bangalore, any startup, they would have definitely met sir at least once in their journey.
yes, may I request you to speak a few words, sir?
It's a great pleasure to receive this award from this prestigious conclave. I'm happy for the one more reason that this MSME conclave and award ceremony was first started by AIC Nitte in 2017, 19 and 22. SS Naik supported these 3 conclave. We perfected this format and handed over to SS Naik. He did 14 this is 14th program. He did all over India, Madras, many places. I never thought I'll get an award in this kind of format only. Thank you very much for everybody. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir. Moving on to our next award, the Best Social Enterprise. I believe I don't have to say much about this particular society, the Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshin Kannada. May I request C.A. Shantaram Shetty, sir, the chairman of Red Cross Society, to kindly come out to the dais. We don't have to speak much words because we know what Red Cross Society has been doing from over the years. Even out of his busy schedule as a CA, he's taking out time for the society and making people survive during their difficult times. So congratulations.
A beautiful way to invest, I would say, not spend, invest your time, money and efforts.
request you to speak a few words.
First of all, thank you very much. Our Red Cross family is very happy to see all the philanthropics, donors and achievers through Productive Council and Rotary Central. Thank you once again. So this centenary building is inaugurated just 26 July, just 55 days back. Honorable Governor of Karnataka has inaugurated. This is really not only building, it is a compassion and it is a dedication of the collective effort. So I once again thank you for recognizing a Red Cross as a social enterprise in this wonderful platform. So this is not only a recognizing or giving award, it is a motivation to all the volunteers of the Red Cross stood with us 365 days. So definitely in coming days our Red Cross will be in the forefront to serve the humanity across the district. Thank you for giving opportunity to stand here. Thank you once again.
I now request Dr. Shankar Poduvalji to speak a few words on this occasion.
Yeah, good evening to all. I'm Prashant here from MRPL. I think the only PSU, oil and gas PSU inside this hall. We all know that MSCs are the backbone of the economy. We also know that MSCs provide growth, provide entrepreneurship, and they also support industries. Now, to all the MSMEs, from MRPL side, please note that we support MSME to the fullest. Around 50% of our procurement are from MSCs. We have special initiatives from MSCs. We have purchase preference from MSCs. We have relaxations in pre-qualification criteria for MSCs. We have special preferences for MSCs, SC/ST, women entrepreneurs, wherein we like to increase the percentage. So we implore all MSCs to join hands with MRPL so that we can ensure the growth of this beautiful state of Karnataka and beautiful place of Mangalore. Thank you once again. And I'm honored and privileged to be here. Thank you to SS Sri Naik for inviting me here. Thank you.
Has been colorful, eventful because of the presence of such great leaders amidst us.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next set of awards. Let me put it this way. Education is the passport to future, and the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome on stage Shri Subhash Jha, trustee of New Vibrant PU College, to kindly receive the honor for the best educational institution.
So that is New Vibrant Pre-University College, the gurus, the teachers who mold the students into great leaders of tomorrow. Congratulations to the entire team.
In a way, teachers are also creators and artisans because they mold our thought process, they mold our minds, and they make us who we are. So that's why teaching is called a noble profession, a future of the country.
Yes. As a
huge round of applause.
Today's children are tomorrow's great citizens, and these are the leaders who are molding the students into great leaders of tomorrow. As best educational institution, New Vibrant Pre-University College, we have the trustees here. Mr. Subhash Jha, Chandrasekhar Raje, Sri Sharad Gore, Yogesh Pandran Bedarkar, Dr. Venkatesh Nayak, Sri Sheikh Mahbub Basha. It's
when
wonderful.
I look at this team, I can only say teamwork makes dream work. And when SS Naik sir, it's all, I've been tutored by SS Naik sir only.
Yes.
It's all his sayings. So he always says, when we replaces I, even wellness becomes illness. And he told me to write this for my team when I had quit EY. He told me what to write in the farewell mail as well. I remember it till today. So this is the dream work right before our eyes, and when the teamwork makes a dream work, that is when you become the best and you get recognized. Thank you, sir.
Yes, may I request you to speak a few words, sir?
We feel extremely proud as well as extremely awesome receiving this wonderful in this wonderful event, receiving this wonderful award. What started as a 6 passionate team of teachers has become an organization of 300 plus employees and 2,000 plus residential students. And this is all because of, this is, yes sir. This is all because of the support of entire vibrant team, as well as our financial guru, Mr. S.S. Nayak, sir. He always says that there is no, there is only yes and yes. So we feel that it is always his presence that makes us feel wonderful, as well as our success is the teamwork, as well as our entire vibrant team is present here, and we feel that without teachers we can't do anything, as well as entire non-teaching staff also. We would like to thank everyone, as well as Mangalore Productivity Council and the Rotary Club of Mangalore. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Can the team please stand up? We can have a look and, recognize you as well.
So Subhash Jha sir is a proud IITian. So that shows how dedicated he is towards his profession. And that's the entire team of New Vibrant. So these are true leaders. A leader not only goes the way, he knows the way, and he shows the way to everyone here. So showing the true way to the entire team. Congratulations to the entire team, and a round of applause, my friends, to New Vibrant Pre-University College.
Anyone looking for a PU seat, please note down very correctly. The entire team is here. You can influence it right now.
Congratulations, and thank you very much for accepting our award and felicitation. The Best Innovative Enterprise in Service category. We all know how much freight and logistics is important in the current day scenario. Without transport, without effective logistics, there is a lot of waste of time, efforts, and technology. So here we have Mr. Kalandan Mohammed Harris from Shipwaves Online Limited, bagging the Best Innovative Enterprise in the Service category. Congratulations, sir.
The last 6 months would have been.
Very true. So this is Shipwaves Online Limited, and we have Sri Kalandan Mohammed Harris, the director, bagging the Best Innovative Enterprise in the Service category. Thank you, sir. We request you to speak a few words on this occasion.
Thank you everyone for having me here. I'm truly happy to receive this award in behalf of Shipwaves. Shipwaves just started as an idea. Today we are providing the best softwares for freight forwarders. And we are also going public next month. So thank you everyone for it. Thank you.
Girls with dreams become women, and women with a vision. Girls with passion become women with motivation. Let's welcome on stage Srimati Sumita Rao N, the proprietrix at Deepajyoti Enterprises, for being adjudged as the Outstanding Woman Entrepreneur.
As Outstanding Women Entrepreneur, we have Vedavati R. Rao, the proprietrix, or any representatives from Deepajyoti Enterprises. May kindly come forward.
And as I always like to say, even behind the success of every woman, there will always be a man as well. So huge round of applause. Please, sir.
To a representative of Deepajyoti Enterprises for bagging the Outstanding Women Entrepreneur of the Year.
Thank you. On behalf of her, she was unable to attend this occasion on some unexpected reasons. I am here on behalf of her. I sincerely thank to the MPC and Rotary for providing us, facilitating this. Thank you. We believe this company, Deepajyoti Enterprises, is serving the needy people since 25 years. And we believe that it's like महकती नहीं है सांसें लाख खुशबू लगाने से, ये तो आती है सिर्फ दिल के गुलशन में इंसानियत के पौधे उगाने से. And we believe in serving basic facility and innovative products to the needy ones. Thank you.
Shailendranath Sheetji, I request you to address the gathering on this occasion.
First of all, on behalf of Canada Bank Circle Office, Mangaluru, I thanks Mangalore Productivity Council, and our special thanks to Mr. S.S. Nayak. Kannada Bank, it's originated from this place only, Mangalore. We are having long history of more than 119 years. Now, in this Mangalore circle, we are having more than 350 branches, and we are serving all sects of life. See, MSME, as I must thank our FF Nayak ji. He has brought three main pillars of MSME growth, that is the entrepreneur, the banker, and the brain behind the running that force. So really, it's a great platform. And from Kannada Bank side, definitely any requirement, anything is there, you can always most welcome. We are having plenty of branches across GK district as well as Manipal and Udupi also. So I once again thank for giving this opportunity, and really we are privileged that we became a part of this wonderful show. Thank you and God bless.
You can approach us and we will help and support you. Thank you, Shailendranath ji, for gracing this occasion as our chief guest and awarding our awardees tonight. So may I request Shri Anil Loboji, the chairman of MCC Bank, to kindly come over to the desk and give the next set of awards. The next set of award is Excellence in Retail Trade. I believe every one of us would have visited their stores and purchased a lot of items because they are into retail trade, and you name it, they have it. May we have Shri Agari Raghavendra Rao, the proprietor of Agari Enterprises, on the desk for being a wonderful retailer and supplying every house needs for all of us. Agari Enterprises, congratulations to Agari Enterprises. As it rightly says, Mana, Maneya, Sukhada, Aisiri. So for all the house needs, here we have Agari Enterprises, and congratulations to Shri Agari Raghavendra Rao, the proprietor, for bagging Excellence in Retail Trade Award in this MPC Rotary MSME Conclave 2025 and Business Excellency Awards. May I request you to speak a few words, sir?
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಸುರತ್ಕಲ್ ರೋಟರಿಯ 25 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮೆಂಬರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ BNI ಅಗ್ನಿ ಸುರತ್ಕಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸೇರಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಷಣ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪ್ರಚೋದನೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. HS ನಾಯ್ಕರವರು ಸಾಧಾರಣ 8 BNI ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಏನು ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ನಮಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಯಾಕೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಆಗ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಚೋದನೆಗೆ ಕಾರಣ HS ನಾಯಕರ ಆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್, ಅದು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಉಡುಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣದ 2 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನು 100 ಜನ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ವಿಶೇಷ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿನ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಆನಂತರ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. HS ನಾಯಕರ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೆಳೆಯುವ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಶುಭಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Irrespective of tech or artificial intelligence, every entrepreneur knows one thing. Even today, natural intelligence and creativity is much required in business. And companies that provide good skilled and unskilled labor are really providing that huge impetus to any business that is in the growth stage. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are recognizing Bright Globe Private Limited as that business which is helping many businesses in the state by providing good resources and employment. Please put your hands together for the Managing Director of Bright Globe Private Limited, Shri Mohan Raj, for winning the award for excellence in management practices. And I also want to say, around 3 years back, I have myself approached him for some staff-related inquiries. And today I told him, okay, good, we'll connect on the days here. So, hearty congratulations, sir. Every entrepreneur here for your staff requirements, please note down his number.
So congratulations, Sri Mohan Rajji, the Managing Director of Bright Globe Private Limited, for bagging this prestigious award, Excellence in Management Practices, in this MPC Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave 2025. Creating employment opportunities and searching the opportunities for the people who approach him. That is how connections and bridging happens. Congratulations once again, and I request you to speak a few words.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank SS Nayak sir for encouraging, and he is encouraging to everyone in Mangalore for the business entrepreneur. It is helpful for all the business entrepreneurs, sir. Because of you, many people in the next level business, whatever in their business. Thank you, and I thank Rotary Club and other this one Mangalore Productivity Council for this one. And I also like to thank my entire Bright team, because handling around 900 employee is not easy task. Because of their support, this is happening. Thank you, and thank you once again.
Another agri-business enterprise which is creating a lot of employment opportunities and helping our farmers grow. Here we have the best agri-business enterprise, Mangala Cashew Industries. May I request the managing partners, the 𝐻𝐿 Kamath, the Vaishnavi V. Kamath, the Vedavas Kamath and the Vrinda V. Kamath to kindly come out to the desk. Cashews are delicacies which we prefer round the day as a health food, as a supplement, and as a health conscious person. Cashews are something which we all need, and as an export business as well, it contributes a lot to the forex of the country. Congratulations to the entire team. We have the 𝐻𝐿 Kamath ji and the Vaishnavi V. Kamath, the partners of Mangala Cashew Industries, for bagging the Best Agri-Business Enterprise Award.
And one more relation with cashews, many of us know, whenever we say cashew, we remember SS Nayak. Whenever we say SS Nayak, we remember cashew. Because SS Nayak is every time giving cashews to everyone. Even his granddaughter, as soon as she sees him, she asks, Ajja, where is the kaju bimano?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮತ್ತು SS ನಾಯಕ್ ಇವರ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಿನ ಈ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಂಬುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವರು ಹಾಗೂ ನಮಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣರಾದ ಮಂಗಳ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ SS ನಾಯಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮೆಂಬರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಜೂರಿಸಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗಲು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರಾದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಹಕಾರ ಇದೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಗೌರವಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ವಂದನೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಗೋಡಂಬಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದಲೂ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಗೇರು ಬೀಜ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೀಡಿ ಉದ್ಯಮ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹಂಚಿನ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇರು ಬೀಜ ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಬೀಡಿ ಉದ್ಯಮ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಂಚಿನ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಗೇರು ಬೀಜ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆ ನಡೆಯುವಂಥ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಸಹಾಯವಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ದೇವರ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸತತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವಿದ್ದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ದೇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಂತ್ಯದ ತನಕ ಉಳಿದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿನ ಫೋಟೋ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾದು ಕುಳಿತಿರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿದೆ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು.
Yes, thank you Anil ji. I think that has to be repeated again and again so that all of them stay back and click a beautiful memory at the end. I now request Everest Seafoods Private Limited. We had called this award in the beginning. We have brother of Sundaram Putranji for bagging the award Excellence in Exports. Yashwanji and brother of Sundaram Putran to kindly come out to the dais, as we all know how important exports is and seafood industry is craving. Congratulations for bagging the award Excellence in Exports.
The biggest challenge for any entrepreneur is to give the acceptance speech in just under 1 minute. And SS Naik sir has requested for that, and so we are urging everyone in the interest of time to have your acceptance speech in under 1 minute, because it is the Instagram age.
Yes, congratulations once again. May I request you to speak a few words, sir?
Thank you, all of you. Wonderful experience to have this award from the great people like you. And the thanks to the organizers as well as juries also. Special thanks to SS Naik sir. Thank you so much.
Anil Loboji, the chairman of MCC Bank, for presenting the awards. We request you to speak a few words.
Mangalore Productivity Council ಮತ್ತು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ MSME ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್ 2025 ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜನರು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಏನು ಈ ಉದ್ಯಮಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಾಗ, ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅವರು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಅವರು ಆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ, ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್ನಿಂದ ಈ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ CA SS ನಾಯಕನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಧೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗ್ರಿ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು, ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡುವವರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂಬಿಗೊಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಈ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಹೊಸ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಂಟ್ರಪ್ರಿನರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ MCC ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಈ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, 113 ವರ್ಷದ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ಎಮ್ಮರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಸಹ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮದು 21 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವರು ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಜುರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪರವಾನಗಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2018ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರ್ MSME ಏನು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ CGT MSC ಸ್ಕೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಹೊಸ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸತತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕಾರಣರಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು MCC ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಲೋಬೋ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಆವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಣ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅವರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಾವನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿ ಭಾರಿ ಒಂದು ಹಾನರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕಾಯಿಸುವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬುಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಿಸಿಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಲೋಬ ಫಾರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೀಡ್ಫುಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೃಹದಾಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಮೇ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಕರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೂರಜ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೇವಣ್ಕರ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಾನರಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ Anil Lobo.
And when Sir spoke about CGTMSC loans, I was expecting a bigger round of applause. I think we need to have a seminar on what is CGTMSC as well. SS Naik Sir is always there for that. Huge round of applause. And Sir, we pray that from even 21 you go to 2,100 branches very soon.
Yes.
May I have the privilege of calling on to the days Shri Suchet D'Souza ji, the zonal head of Bank of Maharashtra, Hubli region. For any business to prosper, first and foremost, the customer should have trust and comfort. And this trust and comfort is earned by consistently providing good services. Excellence in service sector is of utmost importance because it is not a one-time performance but a consistent performance every single day. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let us welcome on stage Shri Jayata Sapaliga, the managing partner of Manjunath Cranes, for receiving the award of Excellence in Service Sector.
We have representatives from Manjunath Cranes.
We have Deepa Sheth and Pahal representing the company and receiving the award on behalf of Shri Jayanta.
Congratulations to this entire team for bagging this award of excellence in service sector on this occasion of MPC Rotary Coastal MSME Startup Conclave 2025 and the Business Excellence Awards. With effective transport, with effective supply, every business will prosper. So they not only are growing, but they are contributing to the growth of many other businesses through their effective supply chain management. Congratulations, sir. May I request Shri Suchet D'Souza ji and our RM from Karnataka Bank to kindly felicitate Shri A. Sujit Alva from Shri Adinatheshwara Road Lines.
Huge round of applause.
Thank you, organizers, for recommending our firm in excellence in business transport. And our bankers, Kannada Bank, we thank you, sir. And this award goes to my entire team. Thank you.
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, health is the biggest wealth. In today's day and time, healthcare is not only a necessity, but also a biggest safeguard that a country should have. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Ajit Kumar M of Ascent Healthcare Private Limited.
Congratulations for bagging excellence in healthcare sector, Shri Ajit Kumar M, Ascent Healthcare Private Limited, and they have been researching on medicines for cancer as well. It is indeed. We request the family of Ujjwala and Shreyas to kindly come over to the dais. It is through their support, through their contribution that Sir is able to have such a great research facility and contributing to the healthcare of the nation.
Huge round of applause, everyone, please.
Ujjwala ma'am and Shreyas, we request you to kindly come into the dais and accept our felicitation. Congratulations. Sir, I request you to speak a few words.
Good evening to all. First of all, thanks to the organizers for selecting us in the healthcare sector. I dedicate this award for all our co-directors Actually, we are into nuclear medicine. Many of you might have heard about this nuclear medicine. We supply the radioisotopes to hospitals which diagnose for the cancer. So Manipal Hospital, 𝐻𝐸, NIT, Yenapoya, all the hospitals we supply the nuclear medicines. No, they don't have nuclear medicine department. Actually, we have agreement with one of the Russian government institute for the supply of this one. They make nuclear bomb and nuclear energy and nuclear medicines.
You don't make, no?
We don't make it, we supply it. Thank you for
Such a noble thing. On one side, countries are fighting to make nuclear bombs, but India and our South Canada is very proud to be making nuclear medicines. A huge round of applause for Sir.
Yes. I request Suchit D'Souza sir to speak a few words.
Good evening to everyone. On behalf of Bank of Maharashtra, I congratulate all the awardees and thank you to Mangalore Productivity Council and Rotary Club of Mangalore Central for this beautiful event and for recognizing the efforts of MSMEs. Proud to partner, sir, and we will continue to do this. Thank you.
Okay. May I request Rotarian Dr. Avin Alwa, former Secretary of IMA Mangaluru, to please do the honors to Sri Suchit D'Souza.
Shri Suchit D'Souza sir has also shared his vast experience and knowledge in the MSME town hall session as well. So we're all very privileged to hear from you during that session as well, sir. Thank you for being with us and enlightening our delegates. We are happy to have you with you, partner us in this particular MPC Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave 2025. May I now request Shri Suraj S. Sheth, the Cluster Head, SVC Cooperative Bank Limited, Mangaluru, to kindly come out to the dais and give the awards to the next set of awardees. Moving to the next category, books are something which we have always been with. Papers, books, stationery and printing and whatnot. And today, we have the Best Family-Owned Business Award, which is being backed by Shruti Printers and Publishers Private Limited. May we request Shri Ashray P. Bandari to kindly come over to the dais and accept our small felicitation for bagging the Best Family-Owned Business.
Family businesses are a strongest pillar of our economy, and we are so proud that the next gen is carrying it forward.
Yes, I believe the awardee is in present, so let's move on to our next award.
Moving on, in the area of startups, it is also family-owned generational businesses that are silently and strongly contributing to our economy with 4 R's, which is reform, rethink, reinvent and rule. I call on stage Shri Richard Cyril Rodriguez, the managing partner of Karnataka Agencies, to receive the honor of Best Family-Owned Business.
Okay.
Harish Shettra iddara nimma client Karnataka Agencies barlilva ಊಟ ಹೋದ್ರ
We'll move on to our next award.
I'm sure they are busy working 24/7.
Right. So the next category of awards, we have another cashew sector. I think cashews is something which all we Mangaloreans are fond of. This is the best rural enterprise which we have. And may I request the managing partner of Chittara Cashews, Mr. D. Gopinath Kamath, to kindly come to the dais and accept our felicitation and award as the best rural enterprise, creating job opportunities and creating exports. May I also request Sri Shailendranath Ji, the DGM of Canada Bank, to kindly come over to the dais, because it would be an honor for both of them to congratulate and felicitate on this occasion of MPC Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave.
evening, everyone. Thanks to SS Naik sir and MPC Mangalore. We are grateful to have this award. Thank you so much. We are having a hotel at Udupi in the name of Chitara Comforts, very boutique hotel. And we are having a vegetarian restaurant in the name of Vivan Restaurant. And we are having 30 rooms and one small banquet hall with the capacity of 150. Please do visit our hotel when you are visiting to Udupi. Thank you so much.
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to just say, if you influence locally, you are a thinker. If you can influence nationally, you are a politician. But if you can influence globally, you are a legend. We have a platform which operates from Mangalore but services clients globally. It's my immense privilege to invite onto the dais Shri 𝐻𝐵, the co-founder of the very famous YouTube channel NRI Money Clinic, to receive the honor of excellence in marketing in financial sector. I invite onto the dais the CBO sir of Karnataka Bank,
Shri Chandrasekharji, the CBO, Karnataka Bank Limited. NRI Money Clinic says, no hype, just the right advice. So all the NRIs out there are very eager whenever a video comes out from NRI Money Clinic so that they can get the right advice from experts and professionals in the field. Congratulations.
Sir, how much followers do you have now? The relationship manager and the superstar of his team, Mrs. Shweta Baliga. Please come on to the dais, ma'am, because 𝐻𝐵 sir had specifically told that she is the superstar of his team. Please, ma'am.
These both are the brains.
And this is your greatness that you are also acknowledging the efforts of your team, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, and I'm very grateful for SS Naik ma'am to recognize us, and I'm very proud to say that our business also started from SS Naik sir's business tonic, and he has been one of the most resourceful person that we have ever met. And to all the entrepreneurs here, if you network with people around you, probably you can start another business tonight itself. So thank you, Naik ma'am, for this great opportunity, and we are forever indebted to you. Thank you.
For those of you who don't know, sir also has this show, Business Tonic, also wherein Karnataka Bank was one of the sponsors, and sir every Sunday for free gives financial advice and many other advices on his show. Thank you, sir.
Every manufacturing sector toils day in and out for bringing out the best product and catering to the needs of its customers. So here we have the best enterprise in the manufacturing sector. May I request Mr. N.T. Pujari ji from Greenland Tiles Limited, the Managing Director, and also I request Shailendra Nath ji, TGM Canara Bank Circle Office. I believe you'll have to come over and over again because these are people who have financed and helped the best enterprises to grow into great heights. Congratulations, N.T. Pujari ji, for bagging the best enterprise manufacturing sector, the Greenland Tiles.
Dear friends, we are telling again and again, we want you to stay till the end for the group photography, which is going to come in tomorrow's and day after tomorrow's newspaper.
Recognizing me this award for Greenland Tiles. Thank you very much, SS Naik. We have 250 employees.
In rural area?
Yeah, last 35 years, we are running this Kundapura.
Kundapura alla yav uru?
Halli Karki. Last 35 years, we are running this tiles factory. Now start ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ SS ನಾಯ್ಕರ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರು SVC. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
30 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆವಾಗ 3 ಕೋಟಿ ಲೋನ್ SVC ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನವರು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಕರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಇವರು ಶಿವಸಾಗರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸಿನ ಮಾಲಕರು. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಉಂಟು?
ಇನ್ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪುಣೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ Mangalore, and 1,800 employees are working with me, and we have 27 branches in all over Mumbai. Thank you.
ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೆದು ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಕರೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ.
That's such a privilege to have you on this stage, sir. Thank you for accepting and gracing the dais as well.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. I will not take much time. I'm really thankful to SS Naik sir to giving me an opportunity to be here. And I also congratulate everyone, each and everyone who won the prize today. And if you, few words about our bank. SVC Bank is 118 years old. And we have 2 branches in Mangalore and around 203 branches across the country. And I am actually very proud. Today I want to proudly say that one of our best customers have got award today. Vibrant is our customer. And I'm really happy to see them here. I wish they keep getting these awards every year. And that's all. I don't want to take much time. I know the time is precious and we are running out of time. Thank you everyone.
May I call upon Dr. S.M. Sivaprakash to do the honors.
For being a part of this award ceremony of MPC Rotary Coastal MSME Startup Conclave 2025. Indeed a pleasure to have you with us. And SVC Bank has also been our sponsors for the day today. Thank you for your support.
It is so nice to even see sir recognizing his clients from this prestigious stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. See, when we had some troubles in the economy, may it be the Y2K or even the recession, one strong pillar of Indian economy was something we think that is minuscule, but something on a macro level becomes very strong, which is the family-owned businesses. At that point of time, we had called upon, and now they are here. And but before we even invite them to receive their honor, first I would like to invite Shri Ganesh Bhandari ji, the GM of Materials of MRPL, onto the dais to do the honors of presenting the next set of awards. And while sir is coming here, let me continue about the family-based businesses of India, which hold the Indian economy's strength together and glue up the Indian economy. May I call on to the dais Shri Richard Cyril Rodriguez of Karnataka Agencies, the managing partner of Karnataka Agencies, to please come on to the dais and receive the honor for best family-owned business.
May I call upon CBO of Karnataka Bank, Maya, and Harish Shetty, AGM, please come. Matte Vishwanath, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಬನ್ನಿ.
So the team of Karnataka Bank, we have the CBO and Vishwanath ji. Congratulations, sir. Karnataka Agencies for bagging the best family-owned. Yes. So we have Karnataka Agencies with Bankers Karnataka Bank Limited. Indeed a proud moment. For generations and generations, they have carried on their business. And it is now a proud moment for the entire team of Karnataka Agencies to have bagged this MPC Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave 2025 Business Excellence Awards. Congratulations once again.
I'm happy to receive this award on behalf of Mr. Richard Rodriguez, who is the founder, managing partner, and the CEO of Karnataka Agencies. I thank the MPC, Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, and special thanks to Karnataka Bank.
When women take control of a business, such business has not only financial success, but also a touch of empathy towards society. Honoring ladies really uplifts the sanctity of this awards night, and I'm so happy to announce the winner of the Outstanding Women Entrepreneur of the Year award. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Srimati Meenakshi Pujari, partner of Balaji Engineering, and Sadanand Pujari ji, partner of Balaji Engineering Industries, and their son Rohan Pujari ji, as I invite them onto the dais. And it is so heartwarming to see that when we are presenting the Outstanding Woman of the Year award, she is here with her entire family, and SS Naik sir has also acknowledged them.
Truly, every entrepreneur has to acknowledge the tireless nights, the work, the hard work, dedication that the family gives. So here we have Meenakshi Pujari ji and Sadanand Pujari ji, a made for each other couple who are running a great business, Balaji Engineering Industries, in a place Karkala. And this is indeed great for them, and supported by their son Rohan Pujari, who may be taking this business to greater heights in the future. Congratulations to the entire family. We are indeed proud and privileged to give you this award of Outstanding Women Entrepreneur of the Year. Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations, sir.
First of all, good evening, everybody. Actually, thankful for the award. We are very thankful for the award, and we are really thankful for the honor we are getting. We are grateful for the organizing team and MSME Conclave, MCP Rotary Club, and we are really thankful for the Baroda Bank for providing us the fund. And we are
CGTMSC scheme.
And we got the 3 crores funds from Baroda Bank, from CCTMSC. And we are really thankful for CA SS Naik sir. He helped us a lot. We came from here to here after we met him. Thank you.
We have the best award for rural journalism of social awareness, backed by Srijin Urubel for Suddi Samuha Samstegalu. They are based in Puttur. May I request Srijin Urubel, the Chief Executive Officer of Suddi Samuha Samstegalu, to kindly accept this award of rural journalism of social awareness.
Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
I request Sinchana Urubel ma'am also to come over to the dais.
Huge round of applause. I think like the way Anil is talking about photo, I'm talking about applause.
ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಜನಾಂದೋಲನ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಕೃಷಿ, ಮಳೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಯ್ಲು, ಅರಿವು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಲವು ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್. 1985ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಳ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ MBBS ವೈದ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ UP ಶಿವಾನಂದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡ ಸುದ್ದಿಯು ಸುಳ್ಯ ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರಪತ್ರಿಕೆ, ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಕಡಬ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಕಟವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪುತ್ತೂರು, ಸುಳ್ಯ, ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿ, ಕಡಬ ತಾಲೂಕು ಮತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಟಿವಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿ ಚಿಂತನೆಯ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ಸಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಲಂಚ, ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ, ಬಲವಂತದ ಬಂಧು ವಿರುದ್ಧದ ಹಲವಾರು ಜನಾಂದೋಲನಗಳು, ಜನಜಾಗೃತಿ, ತರಬೇತಿ, ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೀತಾ ಇವೆ. ಕೃಷಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಒದಗಿಸುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಸ್ಯಜಾತ್ರೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ಕೃಷಿ ಮೇಳವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ 2023 ಮತ್ತು 2025ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಘಟಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಭಾಗದ ಜನ ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸುವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಡುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿವಿನ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಹರಿವು ಎನ್ನುವ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಲಕ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಆರಂಭಿಸುವವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ ನಡೆಸಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉದ್ದಿಮೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ Z ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನೆರವು ಒದಗಿಸಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜಲ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿಗೆ ಮಳೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಯ್ಲು ಅಭಿಯಾನವು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಕೊಂಡಿಯಾಗಿಯೂ ಅರಿವು ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಸುದ್ದಿಯು ಒಂದು ಸಮೂಹವಾಗಿ ಸಮಾಜದ ಸರ್ವ ವರ್ಗದ ಶ್ರೇಯೋಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಕಟಿಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸುದ್ದಿ
Entire team, of course, because media cannot run with one person. It's the entire team that works behind to give the right news to the people out there. I believe Sinchana ma'am was also asking a question during MSME town hall. So that is the eagerness in the youngsters of today to be curious, to know the reality, to get the maximum out of every event. Yes, as sir rightly said, we also hope that a very wide coverage will be given to this event and your award ceremony. Thank you once again to the entire team. Sir, on there at Mato.
Thank you, MPC and Rotary, for this wonderful award. ಇವತ್ತು ಪುತ್ತೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಪುತ್ತೂರು, ಸುಳ್ಯ, ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅರಿವು ಅಂತೇಳೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾನೆಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆದು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಟ್ರಿ MPC ಟೀಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಬಹಳ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಪುತ್ತೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೊಂದು ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇವರು ಅರಿವು ಅಂತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನಂದು, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅರಿವು ಮುಖಾಂತರ 45 ಜನ ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಎಸ್, I request Ganesh Bhandari sir to speak a few words.
There are humongous number of entrepreneurs we can see in this part of the region. So they need basically the motivation, they need encouragement as well as guidance. So today's program, as one such efforts, I must compliment the team. It has given a lot of motivation to the people and also recognition to all the entrepreneurs. So I must compliment Mangalore Productivity Council, Rotary Club of Mangalore Central and SS Nayak sir and their team. They have done a wonderful job today. Fantastic program, and I hope that in future also such program will come and recognize the efforts. And before I conclude, sir, you are conducting a program called as Business Tonic. I just wanted to know that what tonic you take because of unperishable energy.
ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳೇ, ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳೇ, ಗ್ರಾಹಕರೇ, ಆಗಿವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಕ್ರಾನಿಕ್, ಆಗಬೇಡಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್. ಮುಂಚೆ ಇತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟಾನಿಕ್, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಣಿತರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟಾನಿಕ್.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
May I request 𝐒𝐴 ji to felicitate Ganesh Bhandari ji, the General Manager. I'm happy to have you with us today, and thank you for felicitating all the awardees out there.
𝐶A Modi has all the way come from Mumbai. He is a veteran in MSME. He is an expert in central sector schemes also.
Thank you, sir. It's a small token of our gratitude. Moving on to the last set of awards, may I request Dr. B.V. Satyanarayan ji, the MD of �KEMCO Limited, to kindly come over to the desk. Excellence in wholesale trade. As we've already awarded for retail trade, wholesale trade is also the backbone of every business. And here we have Sri 𝐒𝐳𝐵 Agencies. May I request the proprietor Sri Narendra Singh ji from 𝐒𝐳𝐵 Agencies to kindly accept this award of excellence in wholesale trade. Yes, congratulations Narendra Singh ji, the proprietor of 𝐒𝐳𝐵 Agencies.
I was very happy to see the video because it was such a Insta-worthy portrait mode video, and that shows that they are on par with whatever is happening in the trendy society nowadays.
May we have a round of applause?
Huge round of applause, please.
ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ MPC ಮತ್ತು ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿಂದ, ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ SS ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಸರ್. ನಾ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ SS ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಅವ್ರ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸಿಂದಲೇ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you, sir. And any part of Karnataka, anyone is coming here, they're saying SS Nayak sir has helped them build. So huge round of applause for SS Nayak sir also to show our gratitude as an entrepreneur in economy. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to call upon Sri Abhinav Bansal ji, the CEO of Bright Flexi International Private Limited, on stage to accept the recognition as the outstanding CEO of the year.
Yes, may I request Chandrasekhar Maya ji, Vishwanath ji, the RM, and Harish Shetty ji from Karnataka Bank Limited to kindly come over to the desk to jointly award this award to Bright Flexi International Private Limited. We have Mr. Abhinav Bansal, the Chief Executive Officer, for bagging the Outstanding CEO of the Year award. Congratulations once again to the entire team. A round of applause for all the achievements he has been managing the entire business and bagged Outstanding CEO of the Year. Sir, a moment and a few words from you.
I thank all of you, especially MPC and Rotary, and the jury and Mr. S.S. Nayak ji, and especially our business banking partners, Karnataka Bank, for helping us grow to this stage. I'm standing here, I'd like to take this award from the 1,000+ employees of A.K. Bansal Group. They've been able to make us one of the best groups that we have today in India. I would like to dedicate this award to my wife, Aditi Bansal, for being the best support for my life and seeing that I'm able to give most of my time to my business and see the business grow ahead. Thank you very much.
That was indeed great to hear from a CEO, the support, that guidance that the family and the employees know how much services are important, contributing a lot to the GDP. So the last award for this award evening is bagged by 𝐴𝐻𝐿 Associates. May I have Divya Dineshpai, the proprietor of 𝐴𝐻𝐿 Associates. Congratulations.
Divya ma'am is also the Nightingale of Mangalore. She's a gifted singer as well.
May I request Shailendra Nath Sheetji to kindly come out to the desk. These are proud customers of Canara Bank, and they're indeed happy to accept this award jointly with the DGM of Canara Bank Circle Office and MD of Camco Limited, Shri Dr. B.V. Satyanarayan ji. Congratulations once again to the entire team.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಈ ನನ್ನ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ S.S. ನಾಯಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 1993 ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಝೀರೋ ಲೇಬರ್, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ. ರೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೌಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದು. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ S.S. ನಾಯಕ್ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೀ ಅಬೌಟ್ 25,000 ಲೋನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 30 ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 700 ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್. ಯಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದವುದಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್. 30 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಏನು ನಾನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ MRPL has supported me initially. Then afterwards, Nagarjuna project, Manipal Group, Infosys, IIM Calicut, and many more. Now presently we have completed one result project in Madikeri, about 125 CR, that is Timber Tail. That is recently inaugurated. Any of you people want to join, we have some discounts also for that. And presently we are working for one Anantara Zanti project, Thailand group, that is about 150 CR. Completion is next year. Yeah.
This was a very great program arranged by Mangalore Productivity Council, Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, under the leadership of Conclave Director CA S.S. Nayak. Probably one of the best programs, I would say. The whole the activity was going on right from morning 9 a.m. and still the energy is as good as it was at 9 o'clock in the morning. So I thank all the group members, especially S.S. Nayak and his team for making this program a wonderful.
Guys, what do I tell you? I was waiting for this one. Thank you for inviting me. So I was just waiting from that time. When will she take me onto the dice? So thank you for all of that. And I had a great time doing the tiger dance, because we all love that wherever we go. Yes, so thank you, Shweta, Arehole and team. And I invite the entire team if anyone is missing. They've got a new team member, I see. And I also invite Sadashiv Rao sir, their mentor. Sir, what energy. We did this dance for 20 seconds and I'm out of my breath. I don't know what you people have. I request S.S. Nayak sir to please felicitate them.
Truly, it was very wonderful, because I believe everyone wanted to come on the stage. We too, I think we were the lucky ones who were able to, come on stage and dance like this. Because at the end of every event, we have to enter that energy that we have. And they were able to do it. Congratulations and thank you for being part of this event. We're indeed very, very happy to the entire Nanda Gokula dance company.
This is the best part of being the MC, Yashaswini.
Yeah, that's very true.
We just let go of all the makeup and we danced.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗುವಂಥ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅರೆಹೊಳೆ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾನದ ನಂದಗೋಕುಲ ಎನ್ನುವ ಕಲಾತಂಡದ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಭಕ್ತಿಗೀತೆಗಳು, ಕೀರ್ತನೆಗಳು ಇಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು 2.5 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ತಂಡ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಇದು ನಂದಗೋಕುಲ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಅರೆಹೊಳೆ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾನದ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ಹಾಗೆ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಬೈಂದೂರಿನ ಅರೆಹೊಳೆ ಎನ್ನುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದ ಒಂದು ರಂಗಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹ ನಾವು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟಕ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ, ನೃತ್ಯ ಮೊದಲಾದ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳು ಸಹ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದರೆ ಅತ್ತ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ MPC ಮತ್ತು ರೋಟರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ SS ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ, ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಂದಗೋಕುಲ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. Requesting all to give us another 5 minutes of time. Meanwhile, requesting all the Rotary Mangalore Central members, can I have you all on stage? Can I have you requesting CSS Naik to please. Well, his dedication, leadership and commitment have created a valuable platform for entrepreneurs, professionals and business leaders to share knowledge, exchange ideas and inspire growth. His vision and meticulous planning not only ensured the success of the conclave, but also embodied the true spirit of Rotary service above self. We extend a heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for his remarkable contribution. Well, from quite a few days, even I've been accompanying him to invite many of the associations for this conclave. Well, truly he's really inspiring, and we the youngsters have learnt many things. So, can I hear a big round of applause to our CA SS Naik? And also the whole team and also the family of CA SS Naik. Can I have you all on stage? Requesting the family of CSS Naik, can I have you all on stage? So how was the conclave? It was super success, isn't it? The man, all I could say, a one-man army. Can we all, requesting everybody to please stand. Let's all give a standing ovation to CSS Naik for this successfully organizing this conclave.
Dear friends, the time has finally come for the group photo.
Well, all I could say, CASS Naik and the team behind this event. So once again, a big kudos. Come on, hip hip! Hip hip! And one last time, hip hip! So once again, CASS Naik, sir, thank you.
Thank you all for giving me the support. All bankers, all our office team, our Rotary, MPC, and all BNI members, I welcome to the stage because I have addressed all the 8 BNIs. Those who are there, please come on to the stage. And all awardees, please come to the stage. We will take one group photograph.
For that final photo of all the awardees, I request all the awardees to kindly come over to the desk.
ಇಂದು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 20 ಶನಿವಾರ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9:30ಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ MSME ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇದರ ಜಂಟಿ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಕಿಕ್ಕಿರಿದ ಜನಸಾಗರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 400ಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಸ್ನವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಇದು ನನ್ನ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದಾದ್ಯಂತ 14ನೇ MSME ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಿದ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, MRPL ಹಾಗೂ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅವರಾದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರೋಡಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೋ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅವರಾದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, 𝐻𝐿𝐵, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಕೋ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, SVC ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, SKF ಎಲಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾಫಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆವರೆಗೆ 6 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಪಾರವಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಷಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಇಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣರಂಜಿತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಕೂಡ ನೆರವೇರಿದೆ. ಆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 29 ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಾಧಕ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಕ್ಲೇವ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅದರ ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇದರ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ SS ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪುತ್ತೂರಿನ ಅರಿವು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಅವರ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರವಿದೆ. ಅವರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೂಡ ಅನೇಕ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳ್ತಂಗಡಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸುಳ್ಯ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಸೊಗಸಾದ ಅತಿ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಹವಾನಿಯಂತ್ರಿತ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಮನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ CA ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅದರ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಒಂದು ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಸರಕಾರದಿಂದ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕುಗಳಿಂದ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಒಂದು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ.